Hello there. So I'm hoping that you did watch my नौटंकी वाला कल and now you're here to watch कि हमारे आज में हम कहाँ जाने वाले हैं. अब ये कोई सीक्रेट तो है नहीं that we are facing a pandemic situation everywhere across the world. कहीं ज़्यादा है तो कहीं कम है, but it's there everywhere. So कल के हिसाब से आज थोड़ा सोबर है. So we are in Paris, जहाँ मार्च से ही लॉकडाउन शुरू हो गया था when the cases were less. So you can imagine that we are staying in Paris and yet we cannot go to all the beautiful places around. And let me tell you that we followed the lockdown and social distancing very sincerely. And you know what? Lockdown actually taught us a lot of things. No. I don't mean baking, cooking, gardening, blah blah blah. वो सब तो हमने सीख ही लिया. But I mean it taught us to actually appreciate the small things in life. So, coming right to the main point, after a long period of lockdown, we were happy to even just take a walk around. And that is what I am going to share in my Aaj. We chose the safest locations, the locations where there would be less number of people, and we visited them. So I will be taking you to a few of them. So today we will be going to a park. And believe me when I say this, that Paris has many parks over here and most of them I found were well maintained. अब park जाते जाते I will also be showing you around. This, my friends, is the Grand Arch, or as the French call it,
La Grande Arche.
This was inaugurated in the year 1989 during the bicentenary of the French Revolution, and it is the emblematic monument of the La Défense business district. Walkers and architecture lovers admire this 110-meter high arch covered with granite, the original shape of which is that of a hollowed out cube, the opening of which can contain Notre Dame. It offers a very unique perspective because from here you can see the Arc de Triomphe, the obelisk of the Place de la Concorde, and the Louvre Museum. This area has a formidable collection of works of art, some of which are created by internationally renowned artists as well. ह्याला अजून कलर करणं बाकी आहे का? So let me tell you this. I love hammocks. So when I saw one, I obviously went running towards it to relax on it. I can never get enough of hammocks, and so I came back for it. So, as I told you before, this area has a lot of art installations and you can read more about it using the link that I have given in the description below. On our way to the park, we came across this beautiful place wherein a lunch table was set up surrounded by plants. You can bring your own food and have it with your friends and family out here. Isn't it beautiful? And here we are finally. Today we are going at this park that is located near Seine River. इतने महीनों बाद इतनी ग्रीनरी देखकर सीरियसली वी वर वेरी हैप्पी. और जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि बिकॉज ऑफ दिस करंट सिचुएशन वी हैव रियली स्टार्टेड अप्रिशिएटिंग दीज थिंग्स मोर देन व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू अर्लियर. This park, which is called the Lebaudy Park, is located in Puteaux, which is just a few minutes from Paris. This park has a lot of gym equipments. So of course it attracts a lot of athletic crowd as well. When we visited this park the second time, we saw group workouts being done here as well. There is also a running track just next to the park. If one wants to create a workout routine, this would be the best place to do that. And such kind of open gym equipments are there at many such parks over here. And not only for adults but even for kids, the play area is designed in a way so as to give them a feel of adventure. Mini adventure, I would say. This place is a botanical wonder because it houses a rose garden with more than 1200 rose bushes and nearly 200 varieties of roses. This rose garden recalls that the culture of pink was an economic activity in its own right at the end of 18th century in western Paris. The rose of perfumers, also called Rose de Puteaux, was highly sought after for its healing properties and its smell. It was sold to pharmacists and perfumers for its incredible fragrance. So when we had visited this park, we did not find it covered with roses as such, but here's a picture from Google which will give you an idea of how beautiful it looks when these roses bloom. This park is comparatively smaller than many other parks that I have been to. But still, it's very beautiful, I would say. It has so many spots which are apt for photo shoots that if you visit over here at the right season when the flowers are blooming, you will definitely be getting a fabulous photo shoot done over here. And that too, muft. Of course, only for those who stay in Paris. And so, that's where we went to for the first time when we left our house post-lockdown. It was really the best option with very less crowd and to just breathe some fresh air. So where are we going to in our next part? उसके लिए next Sunday मिलते हैं. Same time, same channel. तब तक के लिए bye bye.